Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on this Seiko Quartz watch. This has one of the smallest watch batteries out there. It is 337. So every time you are going to work on your watch, so to replace the watch battery, you can actually read the number on the back of the battery and then order it before actually replacing the watch battery. Now you are going to need a few basic watchmaker tools such as a watch press and the basic watchmaker toolkit in order to have these watch tools in order to work on your watches. I will leave a link in the description below, as well as to the watch battery. So here I have a watch knife or a back case opener. This is very useful in order to open snap off back watches just like this one. So what you want to do is to go with the blade underneath the watch back and push it outwards, so towards yourself, in order to snap off the back of the watch. So I'm going to do that now, just like that. Make sure to take your time, especially if this is the first time that you are doing this. As you can see here, we have a very tiny watch movement, as you can see, and the watch battery is right here, and you can read 337. So in case you want to replace this battery, you are going to go online and order it and then replace it. And now I'm going to take a pair of tweezers in order to remove the old watch battery. So this is the old battery. Once again, make sure to take your time. Do not touch the other parts of the watch because you can actually damage the movement. Sometimes the battery can simply jump. Then I'm going to take the new watch battery and place it right here. Place it in the right position. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure in order for it to go into its place. And now we are going to see whether the watch starts to tick, and after it does so, we do not have a seconds hand here, so we have to wait at least 1 minute. Then you are going to take the back of the watch with this groove and place it where the watch crown is, so the watch stem, and then we are going to apply some pressure in order to put it back in. And you are going to hear a small click. Now on a lot of other watches, you are going to need the watch press in order to press down the back of the watches, as you can see right here. So you are going to place them inside the right ring that you have, and then you are going to apply some pressure in order to press the back of the watch back in its initial position. So make sure to go and order the watch press and the basic watchmaker toolkit in order to be able to work on your watches. Now, if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure to watch the rest of our videos, and I'm going to see you on the next one.